Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we explore the secrets to achieving financial independence. If you're like me, you want your money to grow effortlessly so your future goals are always within reach. You want the freedom to live on your terms. Well, today, I'm taking a bold step to help you achieve just that. As Warren Buffett says, the key to successful investing is thoroughly assessing a company's competitive advantage and its durability. By choosing assets with a strong competitive edge in growing markets, you can substantially increase your wealth. But with so many emerging opportunities, it can be uncertain where to invest. That's where I want to lend a hand and help focus your search for the right asset to invest in now. Investment opportunities in 2023. In 2023, I see huge potential in infrastructure improvement, sustainable healthcare, and technological innovation. These sectors present unparalleled opportunities to improve public health, enhance healthcare access, and strengthen disease prevention techniques. Not only is investing in health a smart economic move, but the healthcare sector is also a major driver of economic growth through job creation. With governments, legislators, and investors recognizing healthcare's profound impact, investments in pharmaceutical companies and healthcare infrastructure continue to boost the economy. Investment in the health sector. The healthcare sector holds numerous advantages for investors. In my opinion, healthcare is a necessity that governments, legislators, and investors have recognized as having a profound impact. Investing in the health sector provides benefits to local economies by attracting external capital. After careful consideration, I want to highlight a specific asset to consider: the common stocks of Rockwell Medical Incorporated, known as RMT. But as always, conduct your own thorough research before making investment decisions. Let's gather some key information to help you carefully evaluate this potential asset for your hard-earned money. About Rockwell Medical Incorporated RMT. Rockwell Medical is a biopharmaceutical company based in Wixom, Michigan. Established in 1995, Rockwell researches, develops, and markets specialty medications targeting end-stage renal disease and chronic kidney disease. As a leading biopharmaceutical firm developing renal treatment drugs, Rockwell is impacting millions of patients worldwide. This unique focus is what sets RMT apart as an interesting investment opportunity. RMT follows a momentum investing strategy, looking for stocks with consistent price tendencies that can turn a profit. Momentum investing focuses on a stock's current beta, anticipating if the market goes up or down, and having a greater margin either way. With a price-sales ratio showing RMT's fair valuation and attractiveness for investors, this company is a promising and reasonably priced asset. RMT's recent performance and momentum. RMT has seen a remarkable increase in trading shares and market activity. This surge in value is due to Rockwell's recent 3-year co-promotion service agreement with DaVita, a leading kidney care provider. This partnership validates Rockwell's momentum and shows the potential for RMT's innovative products. For investors, this agreement signals an exciting opportunity. RMT's price-sales ratio. With a price-to-sales ratio of just 2.29, RMT is reasonably valued. This ratio shows investors that RMT is attractively priced relative to their revenues. For investors, RMT's fair valuation adds to its appeal as a promising investment opportunity. Why RMT is considered promising? RMT shows growing promise from increasing consensus estimates and an upward earnings trajectory. This growing confidence in Rockwell's financial performance makes RMT stand out. Additionally, Rockwell's cash position reveals strategic decisions to streamline operations for long-term profitability. Despite a decrease in their cash balance over the past year, RMT still holds a substantial cash position to make future investments, acquisitions, and expand their market. With these factors, RMT looks to be a promising investment opportunity. How to invest? If RMT catches your interest, here is how you can invest. The process of buying stocks starts with choosing a stock trading platform and creating an account. Fund your account by transferring money and linking your bank account. Search for the stock RMT and place your order to purchase the shares you want. With the right preparation, you can maximize this opportunity as RMT's value grows. The risks of investing in RMT. While RMT shows potential, it is important to evaluate the risks. Due to the small scale of the company, RMT is considered a micro-cap stock. These stocks tend to have higher volatility and poor liquidity. Additionally, RMT does not yet generate profits or positive cash flows from its operating activities like dividends or buybacks. Competition from larger companies in the renal care market could also potentially impact RMTI's future revenue. Before investing, be sure to consult a medical expert and read additional articles on RMTI's financials. While these risks exist, RMTI's remarkable increase in market activity and potential upside based on expected EPS breakeven and EV sales ratio expansion keeps me optimistic. Other ways to invest in the health sector. While RMTI presents a compelling opportunity, there are other traditional ways to invest in the health sector like pharmaceuticals and medical technology companies. You can also look into private equity funds focusing on healthcare, or invest in healthcare real estate like medical office buildings, hospitals, and senior living facilities, which offer stable income streams and potential capital appreciation. Some investment platforms even allow direct investment in innovative healthcare ideas through crowdfunding opportunities. No matter what you choose, have a tailored strategy, do thorough research, and keep a long-term view. With measured risks, you can aim for financial gains while improving global health outcomes. Conclusion: RMTI's focus on the growing renal care industry, promising partnership, fair valuation, and substantial cash position make it an enticing investment opportunity. While risks exist, the potential upside appears significant. Of course, conduct thorough research and evaluate your own risk tolerance before investing. For those seeking exposure to the healthcare sector, RMTI is an undervalued asset to consider now to grow your wealth by 2025. Stay tuned for a look at other ways to invest in the expanding healthcare industry. The healthcare sector presents many opportunities for investors to profit while also contributing to meaningful advancements in medical care and public health. Rockwell Medical Incorporated, with its focus on developing innovative renal care treatments, shows potential as an undervalued asset for investors seeking exposure to the growing healthcare industry. Closing remarks: the right investments today can grow your wealth exponentially in the years ahead. But more than the money, with thoughtful investing, we can leave a legacy by affecting future generations. If you enjoyed this video and want to support the channel, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Until next time, happy investing! What are your thoughts on investing in the healthcare sector, particularly in biopharmaceutical companies like Rockwell Medical? Do you see this as a high-growth opportunity, or are there other sectors you're more interested in? Share your story in the comments, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to stay updated on our latest investment advice.